So I'm 100% aware that this outfit looks like pajamas, but I'm totally okay with it because I'm loving pajama looking things lately, like the pants, drapey pants, and light camisoles, but I'm just, I don't know, loving pajama fashion. It's super comfortable as well. After work, my friends want to get some dessert, and I'm always down for dessert, so I just changed my outfit because, I don't know, I just felt like changing it up, so this was my second outfit of the day for Monday. Today was a little bit windier and chillier, so I decided to go for a longer dress instead. I was going to wear a maxi, but then I'm like, oh, it's going to be really, really hot. So I went for the in-between. Like, what is going on? Wednesday was raining super hard, as you can tell from the clip before, but I decided to rock my One Direction t-shirt to work, to the office, because I can. My roommate got me this shirt when she was in London, and I am forever grateful because it's the best t-shirt that I own, and I got a couple weird stares at the office, but mostly it was a good conversation starter. I was feeling a little bit lazy today, so I just went for something very simple, basically just a black tank, black shorts, and a bomber jacket. So on Thursday night, I had a fashion show party to go to, and it was quite a dressy event. I felt like I actually was kind of dressed down compared to a lot of the people that were there. They were very, very dressed up. But this is what I wore, just something simple, black. You can never go wrong with black, so there you go. And then on Friday, I had some meetings with potential clients, so I decided to just dress up a little bit more corporate-y, I guess. So by that, I mean putting on a blazer. And then on Saturday, I went for something super casual. I was just running some errands around and just getting a little bit of shopping done. So something just super casual and comfy. And I'm loving this new tank top that I got. It's backless and it's like the best thing because I love backless shirts.